Hello everyone, welcome back to Premium Design course still Warehouse BAC. Now we continue to check the direction of the raster and beam again. You click on the members and click on the direction. Now I untick it, okay, to turn it off, and to turn the direction on, click it again, or you can show only for the columns. You can click on the column and show direction. And for the beam, you can use also the same concept, apply for the steel beam, the direction. Okay, so at the top is the top plane, and at the bottom is the bottom plane. You can check the direction of the beam. Yeah, direction of the beam is so at the top plane. So the top plane is the top, and other side is bottom. Now it's me rotate it to the minus 90 degree. Sorry. Sorry, 90 degree, sorry, 0, and 180 degree. So the bottom plane at the top plane is at the location, and the top plane, sorry, the top plane is at the location, and the bottom plane at the location. So to make sure what is the bottom and what is the top plane, you have to check the direction of beam. Yeah. Now this direction of beam at the top of the raster, so it's become the top, and the plane become bottom. So it is very important to check the direction of beam. Yeah, just show the direction of beam and check the top and the bottom. Come back, I keep it 0 degree. Okay, now let's check again. Click direction. For the raster is okay, for purlin is okay, for the gut or side rail gut or side rail, for this side is okay, but for this side we must rotate it. Okay, now let me rotate it to yes, now the top is outside, correct, and change the measure offset. Okay, now correct. And for the column, the left side is correct, but the right side of the frame, oh, we have to change it. Click on column and change rotation to minus 90 degree. Okay, now the top the top plane is outside and the bottom plane is inside. Yes. Top plane. Top plane is outside and bottom plane is inside. Okay. Now we need to use the same direction of the element. Is the column. The left column you make the top outside, and the right column you should rotate the same direction to use the top plane outside of the building. And for the raster it's the same. It's easy to check and verify and input the restraint on the element. This is how you can check and edit. You get both column is correct, and get both column, click and rotate it to 90 degree. Sorry, again 180 degree. Yes, now everything is correct. Format the link, check for direction of the member and correct the direction of the member. Okay, the next step we will continue to analyze and design this warehouse. Thank you for your watching. Thank you. One more, I will show you the core axis of the member for the next tutorial. Thank you.